Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos, I will show you how to add your website on Google Search Console and how to set up the sitemaps. So if you don't watch my previous videos, make sure to watch and I will share the links in the description below. So in today's video, I will show you how to give access of your Google Search Console account to any other users. So if you want to add a team member or any SEO experts or a developer to your Google Search Console without sharing your logins details, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started without wasting our time. So click on the setting in the left hand menu. As you can see this interface, there's a lot of options, but we will select users and permission. Click on user and permission. These sections let you see all users with access and their permission level. Click the add user button. So from now you can enter email address of the person you want to add. So I add one of my email and in the second box it shows a permission level. So I will select the full and click on add. So as you can see, the new users added as a full access. Now I will go to my Google Search Console account from the email and check if the permission is given or not. So I just log in my Google Search Console account, and as you can see from the property Umar Jewelers, I will go the full access. So on the full access you can view the things also and can make changes as well. Now we will check what if I change my permission to the restricted. So after edit our permission to the restricted, I will check the difference. So from my Misbah Mahmood account, I will see that I don't have the option of adding a sitemaps or adding any new request to the removals. So and on my main account, I can add this new sitemaps or have the option of adding a new request. So this is the difference between the full access, ownership access or the restricted access. So on the restricted access, you can just view the things but not make any change. And you can also easily remove the users from here. So that's all. This is how you can give access to the Google Search Console. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any question, drop them in a comment below and I will see you in the next video.